Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, and in today's video we are talking about Shiba Inu token and what actually happened in the middle of the night, because guys, we have some, I would say, kind of bad news and unfortunate news. It's nothing that will result in some kind of a price action, but it's definitely a big thing that happened in Shiba Inu coin community, which I would say is kinda unfortunate. So if you're a member of a Shiba Inu coin army, make sure to watch this video till the end so you can fully understand what actually happened yesterday, because these news are kinda very important. Also, if you're a member of a crypto community, as you know, make sure to like this video and subscribe. That would be it, and let's start with the big news. So what actually happened here on Shib Informer, we have a new post, and this is actually what happened yesterday. We will have some minutes talk about it because it's kinda very unfortunate. Sadly, the biggest hack in DeFi's history was perpetrated today against an important actor in the crypto world. Shib tokens have been mentioned as one of the assets taken. So to avoid any confusion, we wanted to make it clear that this has not impacted our ecosystem in any way. 600 millions are stolen. So basically the hack happened and a large sum of cryptocurrencies have been stolen. So 600 million are stolen and 2 million in Shib. So if you see right here 2 million in Shib, it kind of looks not that big, but if you convert from the dollars to Shib tokens, it's kind of large amount, and Shiba Inu got actually hacked, as well as some other tokens. So we are sad to learn about anyone in shibarmy losing their funds to a crime like this, and hope the exchange in question will act to rectify. shibaswap has safeguards to stop this type of event. We are careful with our structure, partnership and public info. So basically, from Polygon network, some of the funds have been stolen, and amongst them is 259 billion Shib coins, which is very bad. I'm not sure yet how will it transfer to the price action and the price future for Shiba Inu token, but since they are stolen, I don't know if they can be recovered ever again, because you probably know how the crypto world is working, and if something gets stolen from other account to another, that means that probably these coins will still be in the circulating supply, but will be kinda dead. So this is kinda interesting, but definitely if someone who actually stole all these coins goes and cash out them, that means that actually some kind of a, I would say, fake burn will happen. So this is kinda good for us if you think in that way, because less coins will be in the circulating supply, so there's possibility that actually Shiba Inu token price will jump up. So even though it's kind of bad, it's also good for Shiba Inu token price. I mean, definitely it's kind of unfortunate for the people, and I'm so sorry if somebody from you actually lost from the Polygon network their Shiba Inu tokens, but for the majority that didn't, it will definitely result in price action, and I'm kind of sad to present you these news, but these things happen and you should definitely be careful about it. So let's continue with the news. Let's start with some good news. Amazon reviews Hawk coin as legal payment along with 3 other cryptocurrencies. Yes, says insider. So here's kind of interesting article. It's not official yet, but Jeff Bezos has reportedly directed Amazon to accept popular cryptocurrencies as a form of legal payment on the website by the second quarter of 2022. So the Amazon team has currently reviewed 4 coins, and among them are Hawk, Matic, AMP and Shiba Inu token. So that means that actually we will have Shiba Inu token as a possible payment method for Amazon, and if that happens, I mean, the volume will explode, as well as the price of Shiba Inu coin, because that's awesome news for Shiba Inu ecosystem that is not doing that well today, in my opinion. Not only today, but for the following months, you can only stake them, bury them, and I'm really looking forward to Shiba Inu team doing some kind of good things for ecosystem more than just the news and listings, because great ecosystem is needed and necessary for every token as well as Shiba Inu token. So we will definitely talk about today's price and price prediction a little bit later on in the video, but let's follow the news. So this is kind of interesting. We have news article from news.com.au. So Shib in price rises after the coin burn, and that's the truth. We actually have a raise and we are looking for that rebound, and we got it after the burn. So a cryptocurrency that was created as spin-off joke is surging in price on the digital coin exchange. A cryptocurrency was created as a spin-off from a joke about the dog meme in surging in price on the digital coin exchange. So we rose actually by almost 20%, and right now after the pump we are kind of going sideways, as you can see right here, which is not that I would say bad. We are going sideways, and that's kind of weird because after every big pump definitely some kind of a decline forms if we get rejected, and we definitely got rejected. But that's the thing, we actually went sideways, so maybe that's not even that bad for Shiba Inu looking right now, as well as the volume is literally 30% down, which is not that great. But after the big pump, as I told you yesterday, every time volume drops, as you probably know. So this is why we are only on 350 million, and I wouldn't be too concerned about it. So we are looking just for less and less sell-offs and more holders, so we can boost the price up, as well as some improvements on the ecosystem. But we will talk about the price a little bit later on. Also, there's kind of different kind of opinion from the Fast company, which says how the Shiba Inu coin burn is attempting to rekindle a meme's magic. The developers of alternative cryptocurrency called Shiba Inu, I will not read the whole article, but there is definitely some things to be worth of mention. Shiba Inu became a poster child for its market in May, when a listing on the popular cryptocurrency exchange Binance led to a trading frenzy. At the time, Shib reached a peak value of 39, but the price has declined considerably since then. As of the writing, the coin trades for roughly 77, of about 20% of its all-time high. So they kind of have a different opinion about Shiba Inu token, but that's kind of normal. I mean, if you take a look at the graph, we are definitely in a big decline, and there's definitely something going on right now. We are fighting for that rebound after the big pump that happened. We had ups and downs, bulls and bears, and right now we are kind of fighting for that rebound. What's also good to mention is that after every pump and after every burn, we can definitely see forming of a new support line and support level for Shiba Inu token. So that's kind of promising. I would say this is kind of good for Shiba Inu token. So let's start with the price prediction. As I told you already about the volume, I would say it's kind of okay, even though it's very low. I would say this is kind of okay for Shiba Inu token. Market cap is on almost 3 billion, which is good, and circulating supply is, as you already know, I'm a big hater of such a big circulating supply. I mean, it's extremely big, and we will need more and more burns for a realistic price, because right now, let's be realistic, price is extremely low, as you can see, and as a Fast company says, we are definitely only on to 20% of all-time high, and if we need that rebound and looking to the moon, we definitely need some kind of a news or some kind of a big announcement. So this is why in every video you will see me first going over some news and then talk about the chart. So let's start with the chart today. We actually got pretty good. I would say we were going to rise, but then we had some flops right here, and the peak happened at 4 p.m. and after that we had some major sell-offs right here, and we went to a little bit of dip. But right now from that little dip we are recovering at nearly 75 line, and we are currently at the 76, 75, which is kind of okay. We are doing sideways. We are basically following the Bitcoin, as the Bitcoin is trading pretty similar today. So if you ask me about the future of a coin, of course I'm not your financial advisor, but if you want my opinion, I would say this is kind of unexpected. I would probably say the price will go down because it's too much of a hype that went from the past 2 days from the big pump, and we were looking for that decline. But there's also a possibility that we will have forming of a new support level right here, and then maybe we could hold onto the new support level of 72 and never go below. This is what we are looking for, but definitely if you're a day trader, I would say skip some days and wait, because I would say currently at the market it's pretty unstable. We are still at the big peak right here, and I would say definitely wait for some time. If you're a long-term trader, I would say why not? I mean, you can buy the coins and wait and hold them for years, but I would say it's not the right time to buy now. I wouldn't buy it. I have some of the coins, but I wouldn't buy it yet. I'm looking for a big price entry point in the next following days, because there's nothing big going on, there's nothing, and there's always people who are selling. So this is why I would say you should definitely wait for some time before buying Shiba Inu coin, because in my opinion market is currently very unstable for Shiba Inu token. We will see what will happen in tomorrow, because tomorrow is the Wednesday, and I heard that some announcements will happen tomorrow. So as I read on Reddit, we'll see what will actually happen. So that will be it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you do, please leave a like, comment down below your opinion about the hacking, and with that said, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day and goodbye.